Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video we'll be talking about futures trade, how to place trade on a futures trade for Kucoin. So to get started, don't forget, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe. So all you need to do first thing first is transfer. Just go to your wallet, that's the asset area, then click on futures, transfer the funds you want to use to your futures balance. So I have loaded $16 here, so 100% I'm transferring the whole amount. So if it's just a portion, you input the amount. So that's that. So then at lower part, go to the futures tab. Then once you get here, so let me use let me just use let me use another coin. Let me use okay, I can use ADA. Okay, let me just use dot. Nice. Okay, nice one. Okay, so we have this here. So and you can decide to enable all features here, so it's optional. So now let's just go straight to the point, but you might need to enable it just go to, if you don't want to enable or go to preference, then go to features, place order. Let me activate this. Okay, let me just activate this. Okay, nice one. Sorry. Okay, so now all you need to do now is if you click on the button below the buy order or the sell order, you see limit and market. Do you understand? So if you want, let's assume you want to pend your order, you understand, a particular price, you use limit. Let's assume maybe you want to buy instantly and market execution, you're going to use what do you call it, you're going to use market. So let's assume now the current price of dot is 6.27. Let's assume I want to pen the price. Let's assume I want to long the coin, as I want to buy, that the price is going up. So I want to enter the trade maybe when dots get to like maybe 6.15. That's my entry point. So, and I don't want to enter instantly, so I want 6.15 to be my entry. What I need to do is to choose limit here, then the price of USDT 6.15. Do you understand? So let's assume I'm using the whole percentage of my futures trade. I'll be choosing 100%. If it's just a small percent, I will put it 25% or any amount, or you can edit the amount of dots you want to trade by yourself. So let me just use 50% here, and also the leverage here. Also for the leverage, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk of liquidating, and the lower the leverage, the lower the risk of liquidating. Do you understand? So but the average, if you are a beginner, the average amount of leverage is used between 5x and 10x. You shouldn't be using more than that, 5 or 10x. So if you are a beginner, only expert will be using something higher. So beginner should be using more than 5 or 10x, so that you won't lose all your funds. So if you are using a 10x, it means that 10% drop in the price of the coin, in the actual price of the coin, will liquidate you. While if you are using 5x, it means that 20% drop in the price of the coin will liquidate you. Why? If you are using 5x, 20% increase in price of the coin will give you 100% of your capital. And if you are using 10x, also 10% increase in the price of the coin will give you the 100% of your capital. So if you are using 20x, 5% drop will give you the liquidation, that's if you are longing, and the 5% increase will give you 100%, that's if you are longing also. So let me use 10x. So to know more about leverage and the rest, if you want the video on leverage, you can let me know. I will be dropping that video also and explaining more about that. So confirm, then I'm using 10x, the price I want to enter is 6.15. Then what happened? I will just input. Okay, I'm using 50%, don't forget. So I can decide to set my take profit and stop loss instantly. I will just check this balance. I will just check this point here. So you can see take profit and stop loss. So if I want my take profit to be maybe 7.0, I will input it. And if I want my stop loss to be around, don't forget my entry 6.15, I can put my stop loss to be around maybe around 6.0 or 6.1, either of the two. So once I put it that way, I can put in my buy. So once I click on buy, it's going to print the order for me. So it's going to pen the order for me since I'm pending my order at 6.15, which is still below the current market price. So whenever the price gets here, it's going to activate my order, and if you take profit first, it's going to take profit, and if you stop out first, it's going to stop me out. So that's just basically it is. And you can decide not to set your take profit and stop loss instantly. You can decide to watch the market yourself and monitor the trade. So you won't check the box here. So you just uncheck it and just place your order straight up. Do you understand? So, and if it's market execution you want to execute the market instantly. Do you understand? So maybe I want to short, do you understand, or any long, I want to use a market execution instantly. Just input change it to market, then input your leverage. But let me short this thing 100%, then sell. So he's asking for password. So can you see now we have this? If you have to go to position, can you see now that's the current trade? Do you understand? So that's it. And if it is long, you click long. So that's just the way it is. So I can decide to close my position now 100%. So that's it. That's how to place trade on Kucoin. Do you understand me? That's how to place it on Kucoin. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friend. God bless you all, and have a wonderful night.